utilizing kimchi that is from the harvest of cabbage and making a stir fry and doing it all on the grill, plus fresh vegetables harvest from the garden. The Petterson Long Day Hybrids. Excellent onion, by the way, for if you live in Michigan. I have the rice vinegar, avocado oil, and everything bagel is a great substitute for Asian seasonings because of the sesame seeds. So I combined everything bagel over the veggies. I didn't have enough, so I added a little bit more, a little bit of jalapeno in there, rice vinegar to give the tang for pickling, and then I will add in the avocado oil because it is neutral, has no flavor, will not take away from anything, and can handle high heat of the grill. I will mix it together and set aside in the refrigerator and let it pickle for a few hours prior to putting on the grill. So I start off with putting the shrimps that were marinated, let them cook on medium till fully done, take them off and set aside. Then I will place the vegetables on the flat top. Cook them for about 10 minutes. The cast iron grill insert will give a wonderful texture like a paella pan. The rice is very easily cooked in a rice cooker, then sprayed with avocado oil, and the half pint of kimchi is added, which was from the harvest of pak choi. The vegetables look fantastic and are totally ready to add the rice. Look at those colors, so caramely and yummy. Add in the rice, and then I will combine everything evenly by mixing it. Then we'll flatten out. In 1 minute intervals, I will flatten and remove the rice. That way everything is evenly cooked and I get the consistent texture that I want on that rice. Put in the cooked shrimp, warm everything up together, and then I am going to be ready to scoop out and eat. Green onion is an excellent topper for this dish. I highly suggest it, and maybe a little bit more of the sesame seeds.